Hi, I'm Chuck Vega, family physician from the University of California, Irvine, and I'm very excited to just complete a session doing a motivational interviewing group session on obesity. This is such an important part of our practice, both in terms of the motivational interviewing and the obesity.
Yeah, I thought it was really informative. I appreciated how it helped remind me that I'm there to motivate patients, kind of meet them where they're at and not necessarily direct them, but kind of see what they're able to do, and reminded me to be sensitive.
Oh, it was great. I mean, I think we should have, if you guys are able to, have more workshops like this. I feel like it pushes us out of our comfort zone, and it gives us an opportunity to practice on each other in a safe setting and take that home with us when we are in our own practice.
And so this session is designed to impart information, but it's also really designed to engage the learner. So we have a didactic portion. It has its role to set the table, but then most of our time is actually spent in small groups where our great healthcare providers who are part of this experience are working using motivational interviewing techniques and really getting to know them with each other and feedback from their peers. So it's a very collegial, I think very active learning environment, and we all know that active learning is what sticks. So I'm just really happy to be part of it. I really appreciate how Pri-Med has invested in it, and I look forward to good things in the future with the same format.